Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we have a couple of things we'll suppose down here. Alright, so here is basically what happens when you actually log into the app. So the device is already added by the Hikvison app. So once you go to your device settings, you should be able to see your various devices from anywhere in the world. You're able to actually arm your devices from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connectivity on your device. So the list of devices we've actually added to this system is alright, so the device list is this. So we have wireless zone 1, we have wireless zone 2, wireless zone 3, and also our sounder. Just the 4 items for now. So I'm going to give you an example quickly. So the system is currently seated somewhere by my desk. Oh my god, goodness gracious. The system is currently sitting somewhere by my desk. Hopefully that is being seen. So we'll try and use the sensor as a trigger. So we'll go back to our Hikvison app. I'm leaving the room now so that we can actually see how it will actually work. So I'm in the system now. Then I'll try and walk into the room and see what actually happens. So as I walk into the room, I should have the sensor detect as soon as possible. So the sounder is functional, the sensor is also functional. Hit this up. To disarm, you go back to the software, you just click a button, and the system is easily disarmed.